hijacks. You're steering. Okay? No. Get up here. Turn left. 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 Left, 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 left. God damn it. Try and teach this cat how to drive the truck. Okay, you got it. We're gonna make it right. No. Look, make it right. Make it right. Right. There you go. This car's coming. Okay, hold her steady. Here, get on the wheel. Get on the wheel. It's 4 a.m. It's 4 a.m. and I'm teaching a cat how to drive the fucking truck. There you go. There you go. Yeah. No, you look straight ahead. Don't look there. I ain't honking them bitches. Look straight ahead. Straight ahead. See that car coming? See it? Okay. There you go. There you go. I'm sure this is probably fucking illegal. He ain't got a seatbelt on. I do. Alright, we're gonna make a right turn. Turn signal right. Here, Paul, right. Turn to, oh, there we go. There we go. Take wheel, turn. Shit, turn. There you go. Get back on it. Right, straighten up. Straighten up. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Look, now you know that. Look. Gonna make a left turn. Left turn. Turn. Oh my god, we're going to yard. Straighten her up.
Some members of the GOP are vowing to investigate Hillary Clinton.
Just got done doing laundry. Teach your cat how to drive. Look straight, dude. Don't look over there. Pay attention. Yeah, that's the boy. Hey, we made it.
Everything the president said about
Made it.
being spied on, his intuition was exactly right. This is the worst scandal in
All right.
American political scandal.
You need more practice.
Watergate looked like